My name is John Reese. I'm a service plumber for Hoffmann Brothers. This is the most ethical company I've ever worked for in my entire life. They treat you like family. They make sure we have health insurance, we have a 401k, we have vacation opportunity for advancement. Very rarely would they pull from the outside. Typical day, leave my house 6:15. I already have the information of where I'm going. I get that the night before so I can prep myself and look in to see what the history with the customer is, or if they're a new customer, and get an idea of what I'm going to be doing at their house. Every day is a little bit different. Today I started off with a tankless water heater service. Some days it's leaks, low water pressure, no hot water. In the service field, you just never know. You have to be pretty well rounded. They give you the desire to want to better yourself, to get further educated, to train you. In a lot of cases, they pay you for your training, and if they don't pay you for your training, they're at least paying for the training, or a good portion of it. They want you to get as much licensing as possible. They encourage that. I am very grateful for Hoffmann Brothers. I struggled financially before I came here. What they've done for me, taking care of my son who has a bad heart, and making sure that I have the health insurance that I need for that, helping me when I needed help working on a house I was living in. It's just, I feel like I'm part of a family, and it is quite amazing, but I'm truly blessed.